But जिस moment पे ये script मेरे पास आया, it just felt like again a very unique story to be a part of. You don't always see a brother-sister dynamic portrayed in such a way, in an entertaining way, with emotion, with whatever. I'm hoping that's the experience that the audience has. But जब मैंने script पढ़ी, I had that experience. So I don't really say कि love story ये मैं calculate नहीं करती इतना. जो feeling आती है अंदर से, if it's a gut feeling, I just go with that.
I mean everything about it, but it just I didn't have the privilege to choose from anything that was there that time. This was when I hadn't even been launched yet with Archie's, and at that time this script came to me, and I only consider myself the luckiest person in the world to get this film, which was directed by Vasan sir alongside Alia, and yeah, I mean I think now is when I think you look at scripts and you decide which you need to take, what resonates with you the most. But at that time it was just whatever came to me, just went with that, and I got lucky.
I mean, I'd written this with my co-writer Devashish, it's his debut as a writer, a wonderful guy. And how did this idea come about? It came across in a conversation with Karan. We were just discussing like what are the stories that we can explore, and this kind of came out.
Actually, जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, जेन्युइनली उस टाइम पे जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी, एक्शन था, सिचुएशन था ऐसा, बट वो फिल्म का जो इमोशनल कोर था, ये भाई बहन का जो रिश्ता है, वो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी, एंड दैट्स व्हाट स्टूड आउट टू मी द मोस्ट. ये एक्शन बस हो गया वो पता नहीं, मैं सेट पे पहुंची एक दिन और हम क्लाइमैक्स या कुछ ऐसे सीक्वेंस शूट कर रहे थे, और वासन ने बहुत कैजुअल बताया था, तो अभी यहाँ से भागना है, फिर यहाँ पे कूदना है, फिर यहाँ पे जंप करना है, और यहाँ पे रोल करना है, यहाँ पे चढ़ना है. और मैंने बोला इसका कुछ मतलब तो ऐसे ही करना, हाँ ये करना है, लाइक नो रिहर्सल नथिंग. इट वाज जस्ट जो दिन में मतलब यू स्टार्ट द डे ऑफ शूट, वहाँ ही शूट होता था सब कुछ, जो भी क्रिएटिविटी सब कुछ वहाँ पे. बट ऑफ कोर्स द प्रेप वुड हैपन behind the scenes a lot between the team, the action team, and Vasan sir. So I think for me it was also a surprise कितना क्या कुछ करना था. But genuinely जो take away है, मैं ये कहूँगी, जब आप ये action scenes भी देख रहे हो, वो एक emotional layer हमेशा आपके अंदर रहेगा. At least that's what I think. Every day on a film set is like, you just try to make the day. Of course, we feel very grateful to be there because you love what you do. Nothing feels challenging or hard, and even if it is hard, even that is enjoyable. When you're talking about protection, I think जो protection का feeling है, if you love somebody, whether you're younger than them, older than them, or as old as them, you would want to protect them, no matter who they are. Whether it's a pet, whether it's your brother, whether it's your sister, whether it's your mother, father. And in my case, when I signed Jigra, it was just after I had Raha. So the protection was like bursting out of me. And I have to also give credit to the way the scenes are written, beautifully by Vasan and Devashish. जो character dynamics है, जो protection भी होता है, वो ऐसे नहीं कि character enters the room से मैं तुम्हें protect करने वाला हूँ, I protect you every day. It's not that. It's an underlying energy that you just know. जो आप सीन में देख रहे हो, यू नो कि ये बरसों से चलता आ रहा है. कैरेक्टर डायनामिक जो है वो बिल्ड किया है वेरी कॉन्शियसली. तो वेदांग और मैं, हमारा फर्स्ट सीन था, उसमें काफ़ी वो लेयर्स थे विच वी गॉट टू प्ले विद. तो इट्स डिफिकल्ट समटाइम्स फॉर एक्टर्स टू गेट दैट केमिस्ट्री ऑन day one. Sometimes it takes a couple of days to get into it. But I have to give credit to the way the scene is written. Because of that scene, I think both of us flowed very naturally into this, the parts of Satya and Ankur.
I've never seen someone who's so supportive of everyone around them. I think we had this chat yesterday, and I was just thinking about, because it's not like I've had any experience with a star as big as Alia or anything like that, but just the way she is, just whatever she's done for me, as basically a newcomer coming into a film, just the support that she shows publicly, personally, it really means the world. So yeah, I think this producer journey is good for you. You're killing it.
I respond to films like an audience when I watch them, when I read them, when I see them. तो जब मेरे पास एक स्क्रिप्ट आती है, मैं एक ऑडियंस की तरह पढ़ती हूँ, फिर अपने बारे में सोचती हूँ. And I genuinely think, I'm not just being modest, I've been very lucky. Luck has to do a lot with it as well. Being given the opportunity to play a part like this. And I'm somebody, when I go on set, even though I'm a co-producer on this film, I am the director's, puppet. Like whatever you tell me to do, I will do. And that's why for me the journey of an actor-director is so important. I think every actor will say that. In fact, yesterday only Vasan and I were talking, whatever the fate of the film, I genuinely feel very strongly about the sync that he and I caught on this film, prior to the film and on the shooting of the film, and I hold that very close to my heart. So, secret of success and all, ये मुझे पता नहीं है. Just very grateful, fingers crossed, keep the head down, keep working, and